Dear students, in the today's class, I teach you some more examples on switch statement. Till today, we studied what are conditional statements, as well as I taught you what is simple if, what is if else, what is nested if, what is else if ladder, as well as in the last class, I taught you about the switch statement. I hope now you are able to answer all the questions related to conditional statements or all these five. Simple if was one of the one-way decision making statement, if else was two-way, nested if was multi-way, else if ladder was multi-way, switch was also multi-way. To select one of the many, to select one of the two, we don't have any choice. As I taught you already in my last class, switch helps us to provide menu options for users of our program. For example, whenever we run a program, we get this message on the screen. Menu. This menu we get. 1 is for area of circle, 2 for area of rectangle, 3 for area of triangle. Enter your choice. According to the chosen choice, that program reads the input. Accordingly, it calculates the area and it displays. We see this example also in today's class. In today's class, we see some more examples on switch. First simple program I explain means you need to write one program. That means you need to develop a small app. Whenever we run that app or software or the program, we get this message on the terminal. Enter first character of color. Being a user of this program, you can enter either R or G or B. If you give the input as R, we get the output as red on terminal. If you give the input as G, then we get output as green. If you enter the input as B, then we are going to get the output as blue. If you enter other than these three characters, we are going to get the result like invalid choice on the terminal. Then how to write this program? This is very simple program. First of all, we need to think about how many inputs we are going to give. We give only one input, that is also of the type character. That's why to solve this problem, we need one character variable, char ch. Then we print the message, enter first character of color. You can read that character by using scanf also, or you can use getch also. Already we know the use of getch. Getch helps us to read a character. Getch and getchar both are same. Getch means that reads a character, no need to press enter key. Whereas getchar reads a character as well as it will wait for the enter key to be pressed by the user. That means machine will wait for one input, user needs to press enter key compulsory. For example, I give the input as R, then I press enter key. That will be stored in ch. That value only we pass to the switch. Whether passed value matches with capital R or small r, then this block works. If the passed value is not either capital R or small r, that will be compared with capital G and small g. If so, green will be displayed and we exit from the switch. If you enter capital B or small b, that will be there in the ch. Whether that B matches with capital R, no. No. Matches with G, no. Matches with small g, no. Matches with capital B, no. Matches with small b, yes. Then we get the output as blue. Then break takes place. If you enter other than R, G, B, then default part is going to work. That means invalid choice will be displayed on the terminal. /A is for alarm, to get the beep sound from the CPU's speaker. This is what one of the very simple program I explained for you. You can use this program as an example for switch. If you get a question on a switch in examination, after explanation, write syntax, draw flowchart, you can use such examples as an example. Usually we won't get direct questions on such programs. I think you understood. If you have the time, you can write the output like this. Otherwise, no need to write the output. Now I explain one more program. This is the lab program. You can CPL lab is having one program to perform arithmetical expressions according to the given operator. If it is plus, addition. If it is minus, multiplication. If it is multiplication, into. If it is divided by, yes, this operation. This is what the lab program. This is very simple. Here what we do, see the output first. Okay, sorry, I have not written the output in these notes. Now, whenever we run the program, this program will ask you to enter arithmetical expression in this order. You need to give the first value, that is operand 1. You need to give the operator, then second value, that is operand 2. First number will be stored in A, and given operator will be stored in OP. OP stands for operator. B will have the second number. A and B are of which type? Float type. Answer is also float type. Whereas OP is the variable of the type character, so that you can store plus, minus, multiplication as well as divided by. That means we read float type of value, we read character, we read float type of value. Our calculation depends on operator, so we pass that OP to the body of switch. If the contents of operator is plus, machine follows these two and break takes place. If it is minus, this works. If it is multiplication, this works. If it is divided by, this works. But one more interesting thing you can see here, I typed plus in single quote. If you want to check the characters, okay, then you need to type that character to be compared within the single quote. That's for case space in single quote plus single quote colon. Assume that I pressed 10 plus 5. Plus we are passing. Yes, it matches with plus. That means answer equals to 10 plus 5, 15. Addition is 15. Break takes place. If I enter 10 minus B, minus we pass. Minus matches with plus, no. Minus matches with minus, yes. Subtraction takes place. That one we print. Break takes place. If you enter 10 into B, into matches with this, no, no, yes. Then multiplication, we print that one and we exit. If you enter divided by 10 by 5, then matches with plus, no, 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 yes. But here we are checking for division by zero error also. As you know already, if you want to perform division operation, second value should not be 0. If second value is not 0, then only we calculate the division, then we store and we print. Assume that second number is 0. Second is not 0? Yes, it is 0. 0 means division by 0 error will be displayed. If the second number is not 0, then only it calculates and displays the result. Otherwise, it will not display. This is how the program checks for division by 0 error. That means in the body of switch, if else has been used, then break takes place. If you enter other than plus, minus, multiplication, divided by, then the default works. Invalid operator. Break takes place. SCH program completes. I think now you understood this program also. This is also a very simple program. You may get this question in VTU main examination for some marks like this. Already they asked in the year of 2015 for 10 marks. Okay, this is what the question. This is important as examination theory point of view as well as practical point of view. See the next example. In this example is very simple one. Write a C program to print a word for given digits 0 to 9. Once it was asked in VTU main exam. If the given input is 0, whether 0 matches with 0, 0 word will be displayed. If the given input is 1, 1 matches with 1, that means enter any digit between 0 to 9. Single digit you need to enter. That will be stored in digit. That one only we pass here. If it is 0, 0 will be printed. If it is 1, 1 will be printed. If it is 3, 3 will be printed. If it is 4, 4 will be printed. 5, 6, 7, 8. If it is 9, 9 will be printed. Break. Otherwise invalid input. This is very simple program. One more thing you need to see here is that I have not typed these numbers in single quote because these are the digits. No need to type in single quote. I think it is also a very simple program. I hope you understood. See one more example. Write a C program to check whether the character is oval or not oval. Just it reads one character that will be stored in CH. That one we pass. If you enter the characters like A, E, I, O, U, that is what we call oval. Other than A, E, I, O, U, that is what consonant. That's why I compare whether passed value matches is small a, no. Capital A, no. Small e, no. Capital E, no. Capital I, small I, no. Capital I, no. Small o, no. capital O, no, small u, no, capital U, S, oval. If the past value is any one of these things, then we get the output as oval. If the past value not matches with any of these, then we get the message not a oval. This is one more simple program. You can use it as an example in exam. I think you understood. Just we read character and we compare. See, the last example is very interesting. You may get this question in main exam. Write a C program to find area of circle, area of triangle, area of rectangle by using switch statement by displaying menu. One is for area of circle, two is for area of triangle. I did mistake here, sorry, you need to recorrect. Area of circle, area of triangle, area of rectangle, triangle and rectangle. Change the text. Enter a choice. If I enter as a 1, then what happens? That 1 we are passing. If the past value is 1, this is a C program to find area of circle. If the choice is 2, this is a C program to find area of triangle. If the choice is 3, this is a C program to find area of rectangle. Very simple. If you enter other than 1, 2 and 3, we get invalid choice. Already we know how to find the area of circle. We read the radius, we calculate the area, pi r square, we print it. 5.2f means machine uses 5 width from the terminal. 5 width. Within those 5 width, last 2 width is for fractional part. 1 is for dot. First 2 is for whole number. Means instead of getting 6 digits in the fractional part, we get only 2 digits in the fractional part. 5.2f. Total width is 5. First 2 is for whole number, third one is for point, last 2 is for fractional part. This is what percentage 5.2f. If the choice is 2, then we read breadth and height. Then half b into h, 0.5 into b into h. Don't write 1 by 2 here. If you write 1 by 2, 1 is also integer, 2 is also integer. Result will be whole number, 0. 0 into a number will become 0. That's a 0.5 into breadth into height. Again we get the area. If the choice is 3, then we read length and breadth of rectangle. Then we calculate the area, we print it. I hope you understood. But how to write this program? How many variables we need? We need one int ch variable which will have the choice like 1, 2, 3 integer type. Float r helps us to store the radius, l is for length, b is for breadth, height, area, clr, ser, and this is what the program. I think you understood. Okay. Here some important questions are there. Solve these things by your own. All these things are available in the notes. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.